Anker's Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro wireless earbuds have been making waves in the tech world. And today we're exploring some exciting new details. A brand new image of the charging case has surfaced, revealing not only a sleek design, but also a built-in display and, get this, camera control functionality. If you've been following the leaks, you might know a few things already. Let's get into it. So let's start with the basics. The Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro is the upcoming addition to Anker's well-known Liberty series. This lineup has always delivered solid performance at a more competitive price compared to the likes of Apple and Sony. I've personally been using the Liberty 3 Pro as my daily driver, and I believe in their value, especially when it comes to sound quality and battery life. Now, what's new with the Liberty 4 Pro? Well, this new image reveal has given us our first real look at the charging case. And guys, it's no ordinary case. This one features a built-in display. That's right, this isn't just a screen to show the battery percentage. We're talking about something much more interactive. So the charging case is the real star of this leak. What we're looking at here is a sleek case with an oval-shaped display. I believe in the importance of having more functionality in the accessories, and this is where Anker has stepped up their game. From the looks of it, the display is going to show battery life as well as potentially give real-time updates on things like ambient sound control and noise cancellation levels. But the kicker? Camera control. Yeah, I know, I didn't see that one coming either. The rumor is that this case could connect to your phone's camera and allow you to take pictures or start recording right from the display on the case. Now, why would you need that? Well, think about it. Maybe you've got your earbuds in while taking a group selfie or filming something hands-free, and you can just tap the case to snap a pic. I think it's one of those features that sounds kind of gimmicky at first, but in practice, it could end up being pretty useful. At least, I believe in the idea of added convenience for the user. Okay, let's talk about what we know so far in terms of the specs for the Liberty 4 Pro. First up, these earbuds are rocking a dual driver system. That's a 10.5mm driver paired with a 4.6mm driver. This combo is supposed to deliver enhanced bass and treble clarity, giving you a balanced sound profile that audiophiles will appreciate. It also supports Bluetooth 5.3, which is the latest standard, ensuring fast and reliable connection. And of course, LDAC support for high-res audio transmission is here, which I believe is essential for anyone who cares about high-quality audio. Now, if you've used the Liberty 3 Pro, you'll be glad to know that the active noise cancellation is still a big focus here. Anker has reportedly improved the ANC system, which can now reduce ambient noise by up to 50 decibels, with new adaptive noise canceling features based on your surroundings. Moving on to battery life. With ANC on, we're looking at up to 7.5 hours of playback on a single charge. Turn off the ANC and you're getting around 10 hours. And when you factor in the charging case, you're looking at a total of 30 hours with ANC on, which I believe is more than enough for most users. The case also supports wireless charging, which is always a plus. And the earbuds are IPX5 water resistant. So whether you're caught in the rain or sweating it out at the gym, you're good to go. One of the things I believe really enhances the user experience is how easy it is to control your device. With the Liberty 4 Pro, Anker is stepping up the control game. We've got tap and hold functionality, and you can now swipe up or down to control the volume. I don't know about you, but I believe in having more control options at your fingertips. Literally. There's also talk of new listening modes, like a dedicated podcast mode, game mode, and even a music mode that adjusts the sound profile for specific types of content. And let's not forget the enhanced spatial audio experience, which should add more immersive sound when you're watching movies or listening to live recordings. So, where does that leave us? Should you be excited about the Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro? I believe there's a lot to be excited about. The built-in display is definitely an interesting new feature, especially with the camera control integration. The improved ANC, dual drivers, and LDAC support means you're getting a high-quality audio experience, and the battery life and wireless charging round it all out. However, I know some of you might be skeptical, especially if you're like me and have loved the Liberty 3 Pro. But with an expected price of $149.99, I believe this is a worthy upgrade, especially when you compare it to other premium earbuds on the market. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.